Hi everybody, welcome back to video 2 of our short series of 20 short videos describing and talking about, with examples, different parts of speech and things to get your level higher so that you can become fluent. Video 2, what is a noun? If verbs are the engine of English, nouns are the people, places and things inside the world. A noun is the name of a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. For example, person, teacher, David, woman, place, Bangkok, school, park, thing, phone, a book, a chair, idea, love, freedom, happiness. Now look at this sentence. The dog chased the ball. Dog is a noun. Ball is also a noun. Nouns are everywhere in English. Without nouns, we cannot talk about anything. And here is something important. Proper nouns use capital letters. That's a big letter, not a small one. Thailand, English, London, Netflix. But general nouns do not. Country, language, city. Now let's do a quick test. Which word is the noun? My friend bought a computer. The nouns are friend and computer. One more. Happiness is important. Yes, happiness is a noun too. Even ideas can be nouns. And here's a very common learner mistake. Some learners use verbs when they need nouns. For example, I have many happy. Incorrect. I have lots of happiness. So, verbs tell us what happens. Nouns tell us who, what, or where. I'll see you tomorrow for video 3.